Okay, students, let's start the topic. Open page number 87 in your history book. Chapter 10, Socio-Religious Reforms. Okay, in the last period we studied about various social reformers like Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Jyotiba Phule, and Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar, Swami Vivekanand. Today we will study about Annie Besant. Actually, she was not Indian, she was a British socialist. And she also faced students, turn on your cameras. Okay. बेटा मैंने आपको लास्ट पीरियड में थोड़ा सा एनी बेसेंट के बारे में बताया था एट दैट टाइम आई टोल्ड यू दैट थियोसॉफिकल सोसाइटी वाज फॉर्म्ड बाय टू इटालियन पर्सन्स and the main objective of this society is to to reform the society. So Annie Besant became the president of Theosophical Society because this chapter is all about the reforms, socio-religious reforms. So we will study about various social reformers and Theosophical Society objective is to reform the society. Annie Besant became the president of Theosophical Society in 1907. Before this, she became the member of Theosophical Society and later she became the president of Theosophical Society. And it was a इंटरनेशनल सोसाइटी. इट वाज एन इंटरनेशनल सोसाइटी. मतलब ये नहीं है कि खाली ये इंडिया में ही फॉर्म की गई थी, ये इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे अलग अलग कंट्रीज में इसको इस सोसाइटी को फॉर्म किया गया था. इन इंडिया एनी बेसेंट बिकेम द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ थियोसॉफिकल सोसाइटी इन 1907 एंड द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ दिस सोसाइटी इज इन, इसका हेडक्वार्टर बना था बिहार इन मद्रास. मेन यहाँ पे इसका पर्पस क्या था? द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव मतलब ये यहाँ पे इसका सेकंड पैराग्राफ देखिए. द थियोसॉफिस्ट एडवोकेटेड द रिवाइवल ऑफ द एंशिएंट रिलीजन ऑफ हिंदुइज्म, बुद्धिज्म, ज़ोरास्ट्रियनिज्म एंड दे प्रीच्ड द यूनिवर्सल ब्रदरहुड ऑफ मैन. मतलब इनका क्या था कि ये जो एंशिएंट रिलीजन है इनका रिवाइवल किया जाए. ये जो कहीं ना कहीं इनकी इंपॉर्टेंस कम हो रही है उसको फिर से इन रिलीजन्स को फिर से इसकी इंपॉर्टेंस लोगों को बताई जाए. एंड दूसरा क्या था इसका मेन पर्पस क्या था? ब्रदरहुड, यूनिवर्सल ब्रदरहुड She started Central Hindu School in Benares. इनका मेन कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन क्या था? इन्होंने क्या किया? सेंट्रल हिंदू स्कूल बनारस में एस्टैब्लिश किया. Established Central Hindu School in Benares. नेक्स्ट इनका क्या था? शी ओपन्ड स्कूल फॉर बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स बोथ as well as for depressed class. Depressed class means जो low class होते हैं जिनको dominate किया जाता है upper class से. तो upper class के person अगर किसी lower class को dominate कर रहे हैं, it means वो जो lower class क्या कहलाएगा, depressed class. मतलब उसे social advantages नहीं मिल रहे, society के advantages उसको नहीं मिल रहे हैं. That class was known as depressed class and encouraged participation of the boy scout. स्काउट गाइड आप लोगों ने सुना होगा ना, जैसे एनसीसी होता है, सीपी स्काउट गाइड भी होता है, तो इन्होंने बॉयज स्काउट को भी प्रमोट किया. He was main control opposed child marriage, opposed child marriage. Next, abolition of caste system, advocated abolition of caste system. He was not in favor of caste system. The upliftment of outcasts who belongs to low class. Upliftment of outcasts and improving the she did effort for improving the condition of widows. These were the main contribution of Annie Besant in Indian society. Another remarkable achievement was that she became the president of Indian National Congress in 1917. She became the president of Indian National Congress in 1917. कांग्रेस के सेशन हर साल होते थे और हर साल कोई नया प्रेसिडेंट उस सेशन में इलेक्ट किया जाता था. सो इन द ईयर 1917 शी वाज इलेक्टेड एज अ प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस. शी फॉट फॉर द कॉजेस. मतलब ये जो था कि यहाँ पे जो इन सारी चीजों की जो मेन रीजंस थे उनके लिए इन्होंने मेन उनके अगेंस्ट इन्होंने काम करना स्टार्ट किया, क्योंकि अगर उन कॉजेस को ही रिमूव कर दिया जाएगा तो प्रॉब्लम्स तो अपने आप ही सॉल्व हो जाएगी. सो शी एडवोकेटेड ह्यूमन राइट्स, सेक्युलरिज्म, बर्थ कंट्रोल and Fabian socialism. Fabian socialism is a stream that is based on social democracy, or it is related to the reforms that may be that यहाँ पे ये कह सकते हैं कि ये जो रिफॉर्म्स हैं इनको कैसे लाना है, रिवोल्यूशनरी मूवमेंट के थ्रू ये रिफॉर्म्स लाए जाएं. तो वो इन सब चीजों के फेवर में थी. सो शी फेवर्स for human rights, she worked for women's condition, and she favors Fabian socialism. Fabian socialism means social democracy and reforms by revolutionary overthrow. Okay, clear? Fabian socialism. Do you understand the concept Fabian socialism? If yes, then type okay. Okay. Next reformer is Veer Salingram Kandapuri. He belonged to Andhra Pradesh. इनके नेम से ही आपको लग रहा होगा कि ये साउथ इंडियन है कुछ, है ना? Next reformer Veer Salingram Kandapuri. He was born in Andhra Pradesh. in Andhra Pradesh. Actually, he favored widow. His major contribution was favored widow remarriage. बेटा आपको यहाँ पे सिमिलैरिटी दिखेगी, ये जो सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स थे एक्चुअली उस टाइम पे जो सोशल लीडर्स थे वो यही थी कि विडो की रिमैरिज नहीं होती थी, विडोज को एस्थेटिक लाइफ जीनी होती थी, चाइल्ड मैरिजेस थी। तो यहाँ पे इसका जो कॉन्ट्रिब्यूशन था यहाँ पे यही था कि इन्होंने क्या किया, इन्होंने विडो रिमैरिज के फेवर में थे और abolition of work for the abolition of child marriage for the abolition of child marriage. Another important thing is he also opposed caste system. Opposed caste system. And condemned opposed caste system, religious beliefs, religious misbeliefs, and opposed bribery. Opposed bribery in government department. So these were these were the major contributions by Veer Salika Kanjukari, who belong to Andhra Pradesh. Here he established, the major contribution was he established a girls' school. Established a girls' school in Dhableshwaram. Underline this. In Dhableshwaram in 1874. And he established a magazine. बेटा जब तक सोसाइटी के लोगों को अवेयर नहीं करेंगे, उनको सोसाइटी के इवेंट्स के बारे में पता नहीं चलेगा, तो सोशल रिफॉर्म पॉसिबल कैसे होगा। इसी वजह से इन्होंने अपनी एक मैगजीन पब्लिश करवाई एंड दैट मैगजीन इज नेम्ड एज विवेक। विवेक मींस इंटेलिजेंस, विवेक वर्धिनी, to make people aware about social evils. This magazine was published by him. Next, magazine, second magazine is known as Sati Hit Bodhini. बेटा यहाँ पे make some correction. In your book it is written as Satihit Bodhini. Okay, so Bodhini. Okay, corrected. Satihit is correct. Bodhini के place पे आपको लिखना है Bodhini. Bodhini. Satihit Bodhini. This is also a magazine that was published by Veer Salika Kanjukari. And he published this magazine for women and their rights. this magazine is especially for women to make them aware about their rights. He also started a remarriage association. He advocated widow remarriage. So how is it possible without any organization? Because society में तो जो लोग थे वो तो उसके अगेंस्ट थे, तो कहीं ना कहीं कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन तो होना ही चाहिए ना. That's why he organized remarriage association. He started remarriage association. These were the major contribution of Veer Salingam Kanduri. The marriage association. The main purpose of this association is to organize marriages for widows. And another important thing is that he get the title of Rao Bahadur in 1893. So these were the important points related to Srirangam Kandukuri. Now next reformer is Sri Narayan Guru. Sri Narayan Guru was a spiritual preceptor. Preceptor means mentor or teacher. He established, underline this, he established SNDP, Sri Narayan Dharma Paripalana Yogam, in 1903, which worked for total literacy. So his main contribution was in the field of education, and his philosophy, highlight this, his philosophy of one caste, one religion, one God for man. Next reformer is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Muslim University. Major contribution of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. ये एक लर्न पर्सन थे, इन्होंने अलीगढ़ में एक एंग्लो मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी ओपन करवाई थी. सर सैयद अहमद खान. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was reformer among the Muslims. Actually, he was a Muslim reformer and he wanted to remove the evils in Muslim community. जो कुछ बुराइयां मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी में थी, ऐसा नहीं था खाली एक ही रिलीजन में बुराई थी, उस टाइम पे कई रिलीजन में भी कहीं ना कहीं ऑर्थोडॉक्स जो थिंकिंग चल रही थी उसके अगेंस्ट इन्होंने आवाज उठाई. इन्होंने कहा कि जो कुरान है, कुरान alone was the authoritative work for Islam and all other writings were secondary. So उन्होंने कहा कि हमें सिर्फ कुरान को फॉलो करना चाहिए. He worked for the reform of he worked for Muslim education. He worked for women education also. Major contribution is he started Aligarh Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College. It is in Aligarh. And he worked for raising the status of the women in society, because in Muslim women's condition was miserable more than our religion. So he worked for raising the women's status in society and encouraged the spread of education. He was against Parda system also. He was against Parda system. So these were the major contributions from Sir Syed Ahmad Khan's side. Next and the last is Singh Sabhas. यहाँ पे अभी तक आपने individuals को पढ़ा as a social reformer, but this was an association. Singh Sabha movement. It is founded at Amritsar. Underline this. Singh Sabha movement was founded at Amritsar in 1873, and the main objective is to make Sikh aware about the benefits of Western education. And Singh Sabha opened a network of Khalsa schools and colleges. Here, Akali movement, an offshoot of the Singh Sabha movement, began in the early 20th century. And last line, under the growing pressure of nationalists and the Gurudwara agitator, a law was passed in 1925 by which the Gurudwara came under the control of Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee. So these are the important points related to Singh Sabhas. Singh Sabhas matlab related to Sikh community. Okay, so this is all about the social reformers. So let's do the exercises. Okay. Students, first write words to know in your notebook. Then by evening, I will share the PDF. Okay, I will share the PDF of the question answer. Then complete your work. And at present, do the exercises. Okay. First exercise, name the following. If you know the answer, then say the correct answer. Okay, I am going to unmute you. Yes. Two organizations formed by Raja Ram Mohan Roy.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Can you tell ma'am Atmiya Sabha and Brahma
Yes.
Samaj ma'am?
Very good. Atmiya Sabha and Brahma Samaj. So right. First, Atmiya Sabha next, two men, Swami Dayanand Saraswati.
Ma'am Mahatma Hansraj ma'am.
Yes, and
Ma'am Mahatma Lekhraj.
yes, Swami Shraddhanand. Swami Shraddhanand and Mahatma. Next question. Next question. Two slogans given by Swami Dayanand Saraswati.
Ma'am, go back to Veds and India for Indians.
Yes. Go back to Vedas and India for Indians. Next question. Two books written by Jyotiba Phule. Two books written by Jyotiba Phule.
Ma'am, Sarvajit Satyadharma Pustak and Gulambari.
Students, if you don't know the answer, yourself. केवल आंसर आप लोग बोलेंगे और कोई डिस्टरबेंस मुझे नहीं चाहिए क्लास में. So, two books written by Jyotiba Phule,
वह पुस्तक श्रीलंका
Gulamgiri and
सार्वजनिक सत्य धर्म.
yes, Sarjanik Satya Dharma Pustak and Gulamgiri. Two countries outside India where the Ramakrishna must established its branches.
Ma'am, Sri
Sri
Lanka
Lanka
and
and
Myanmar.
Sri Lanka and Myanmar. Very good. Now do the match the followings. Gift of monotheist.
मैम राजा राम मोहन रॉय.
Who is speaking?
मैम
Yes. Yes, Vanya.
मैम yes मैम राजा राम मोहन रॉय.
Yes. Gift of monotheist. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy advocated to worship only one God. So, gift of monotheist Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Hindu Widows Remarriage Act. Hindu
Ma'am,
Widows.
Ishwar Chandra
ईश्वर
Vidyasagar.
चंद्र
It was the
विद्यासागर.
effort of Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar that made it possible to introduce new act by the Britishers named as Widow Remarriage, Hindu Widows Remarriage Act. Satyaj Prakash.
Ma'am, Swami Dayanand Saraswati.
Yes, Satyaj Prakash is written by Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Parliament of the World Religions.
Ma'am, Swami Vivekanand.
Yes, very good. Swami Vivekanand. And Theosophical Society.
Yeah,
Annie
Annie
Besant.
Ma'am,
Besant.
Annie Besant.
So
Annie Besant.
the order in column B is 5, 3, 4, 1, 2. 5, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now fill in the blanks. Can passed a law for abolishing the practice of sati. Who passed the law?
Ma'am, Lord William Bentinck.
Lord William Bentinck.
Lord William Bentinck. Next, according to
Ma'am, Vedic religion.
the destiny of India lay in the revival of the
Ma'am, Vedic religion.
Vedic religion.
Vedicism.
He advocated Vedic religion, and the major difference between the thinking of Raja Ram Mohan Rai and Swami Dayanand Saraswati. What was the
Ma'am, he
major
believed in.
Yes.
Ma'am, Raja Ram Mohan Roy believed in the Western education, ma'am.
Yes.
And ma'am, Swami Dayanand Saraswati was mainly imparted his life on the faith of God.
In the faith of Vedas.
Okay. Very good. Dayanand Saraswati advocated Vedas, Vedic education, while Raja Ram Mohan Roy advocated Western education.
Western education.
Third fill in the blank. Narendra Nath, a disciple of Ramakrishna Paramhans, was popularly known as
Swami Vivekanand.
Yes. The childhood name of Swami Vivekanand was Narendra Nath. Next, Dash started the Central Hindu School in Benares. Who started
Ma'am,
Central?
Annie Besant.
Annie Besant.
Annie Besant. The Akali movement aimed at liberating the Gurudwara from the control of
Corrupt
Ma'am,
Mahants
corrupt
of
Mahants.
priests.
Okay, students, listen carefully. In your copy, notebook, first write the words to know, then movement, year, and founder. These are given in under the heading points to remember. Only write movement, year, and founder's name. Okay? Don't write about objectives. These two things you must written in your notebook first, then do the question answer. Okay? So ये दो things जो है ये
Okay, ma'am.
words to know and in points to remember movement, year and founder name. खाली ये तीन heading डाल के ये बस आप लिखिएगा उसके just after। और ये जो ये movement, year और founder name है ये important होते हैं आपके MCQs के हिसाब से, है ना? MCQ point of view से। और ये जो छोटे छोटे questions आते हैं 2 marks के उसमें भी इससे पूछा जा सकता है। तो ये सारी चीजें आप पढ़ लीजिएगा, लिखिएगा अपनी नोटबुक में। फर्स्ट वर्ड्स टू नो एंड देन movement, year and founder name. Okay, then after do the question answer which I will share by evening. Okay, so thank you
Yes, ma'am.
class. Okay,
Thank you,
work
ma'am.
done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye students.